If you can, hold here. If you can, bring that arm back just a little bit. There you go. And then come in. And after your fourth one, park. Yep. Rest. This is why I think, in my opinion, the kettlebell overhead press is superior to barbell overhead press, bench press, is because barbell overhead press requires mobility too, strength coordination. They all require strength coordination. But with the overhead kettlebell press, you're working on flexibility and strength simultaneously. Because, again, the nature of that kettlebell, the nature of that load, is the bell is moving this way, right? The barbell goes straight down the middle. So if I'm holding a dumbbell or a barbell, it would be me holding the weight like this because it's centered. But what makes the kettlebell unique is the weight is offset, okay? So every time that bell moves, that center of mass changes. So as I press, the weight is pulling me this way. But now as I press and I turn, now the weight pulls behind me. And I want to leverage that weight to stretch that shoulder as I'm pressing. You see that? Versus kind of stopping short here. If you've got the range, let that bell stretch you just a little bit. Don't go too far. And then bring it right back and go into the next press. Okay? So let's go to the other side. Single clean. Use that breath. Okay. Press. Hold. There you go. Feel that stretch. Don't move into anything that's painful. Bring it in. Press. Find that stretch a little bit. Good. 2 more, just like that. Glutes braced, abs braced. 1 more. After your 4, park. Solid.